Welcome to an exciting journey through the sky map of the United States. Today, we will explore how the entire United States looks from above, focusing on its boundary lines, geographical divisions, and how these are represented in sky maps and satellite-style visuals. The United States is one of the largest countries in the world located in North America. It consists of 50 states, including mainland regions and separated areas like Alaska and Hawaii. Let's begin with the main boundaries of the United States. To the north, the United States shares a long international border with Canada. This is one of the longest peaceful borders in the world, stretching across forests, lakes, and mountains. In sky maps, this northern boundary is usually represented by a clear, straight, or slightly curved line separating the two countries. To the south, the United States shares its border with Mexico. This boundary passes through deserts, rivers, and urban regions. One of the most important parts of this boundary is the Rio Grande River, which naturally divides parts of the two countries. In sky map visuals, this southern line often follows natural curves. Now, looking at the east side, the United States is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean. This is not a land boundary, but in sky maps, it appears as a smooth outer edge of the country. Similarly, on the west side, the Pacific Ocean forms another natural boundary. These ocean boundaries are often shown as curved edges, highlighting the shape of the Earth. Now let's talk about how these boundaries appear in sky maps. In digital sky maps or satellite views, the United States appears as a large, detailed shape. Boundary lines are often highlighted using bright colors like red, white, or yellow. Sometimes arrows are added to show direction or to emphasize important border areas. For example, the northern border with Canada might be shown with a long red line, while the southern border with Mexico could be marked with arrows following the path of rivers and deserts. Another important feature in sky maps is the use of latitude and longitude lines. These are imaginary grid lines that divide the Earth into sections. The United States spans multiple latitudes and longitudes, making it geographically diverse. Because of this, different parts of the country experience different climates and sky views. For example, northern states may experience phenomena like the northern lights, while southern states have clearer and warmer night skies. Sky maps also help us understand how states are divided within the country. While international boundaries separate countries, internal state boundaries divide regions within the United States. These lines are often shown as thinner or lighter lines compared to international borders. Another fascinating aspect is how Alaska and Hawaii are shown in sky maps. Since they are not connected to the mainland, they are usually displayed separately, but still within the overall map of the United States. In many visual videos, creators use glowing lines, animated arrows, and zoom effects to highlight these boundaries. This makes the content more engaging and easier to understand. So when you look at a sky map of the United States, you are seeing more than just land. You are seeing a complex system of borders, divisions, and natural features that define the country. From Canada in the north to Mexico in the south, and the vast oceans on both sides, the United States is a perfect example of how geography shapes a nation. If you enjoyed this deep look into the USA sky map and its boundary lines, don't forget to like, comment,